Hello friends, let's look at a static keyword in Java. In this example, we have an employee class with name as a instance variable of the employee. In static demo class, in a main method, we are creating the objects of employee and assigning some values to the name and printing the names of all these employees. So if you run the program, you will get the names of all the employees displayed as we have assigned in the example. This shows that the variables of a class are specific to the object of a class. So each object of a class has a copy of its instance variables, as we have seen this in our earlier examples. Now let's make this name as static and run the program without any modifications. And you see that the name of all the employees is now Jack, which is the last assignment statement. This shows that a static variable of a class is common to all the objects of a class. Or we can say that a static variable is a class level variable. Now, we don't need the objects to be created to assign the value to the static variable. Directly we can say like class name dot variable equals to value, and in this case I am assigning the name of a name static variable of class employee to Jack. Now let's run the program and look at the output. And the name of all the instances of the class is initialized to same value, that is Jack. So where do you initialize the static variables? We have a static block to initialize the variables which are static to a class. So in this example, I have initialized name to Jack in this static block. Now, after you run the program, all the instances of employee will have the same name, Jack. Similarly, we have a static method Let's create a static method by name display, which would display the static variable. You can see that a static variable can be accessed directly in a static method. And we don't need the instance to be created to access it. Let's take one more variable like employee ID, which is a non-static field, and let's try to display it in a static method. Here you cannot access the non-static variable in a static method, and the compile time error says that you cannot make a static reference to a non-static field employee ID. In this case, to access the employee ID, you need to create the instance of an employee class, and using that instance you can display the employee ID. Now we can call the static method in this static demo class by employee dot static method name, and you can display the name of the employee here, that is Jack. Since a static variable of a class is common to all the objects of a class and it's a class level variable, you can assign static keyword to the variables of a class which has a common value to all the objects of a class. In our example of employee, the company name would be same for all the employees in a company. So you can declare a variable company name as a static variable of the employee class. Here I have an example of an employee class where the company name, which is common to all the employees, is declared as a static variable, and we have employee ID and employee name as the instance variables of a class employee. We have initialized the company name to some value in a static block. Now in the constructor of an employee, we are sending the parameters employee ID and name, and we are assigning the employee ID and name for each of the employees. In the main method, we have created the objects of employees and we have initialized the employees with some values by passing the values of ID and name into the parameterized constructor. And here we are trying to print the information related to the company with the employee. As you see, the name, that is the company name, for all the employees is set in a static block. After executing this program, you can see that the company name and the information of all the employees is displayed at the output. If you want to change the name of a company, you can change it at a single place, like and after you run the program, the information of the company and its employees is displayed at the output. So that's all about the static keyword, static method and static block in Java. Thank you.